everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. I'm Anna, and I'm really happy to be here with you again.
Hello, Anna, and hello, everyone listening. It's great to be back. I'm feeling very good today and ready to learn something useful for everyday life.
That's wonderful, David. Today's topic is something we all use in real life, almost every week. We're going to learn how to make plans with friends in English, but not just basic sentences. We'll learn natural expressions, polite replies, longer conversations, and also how to handle real situations like changes, delays, or confusion.
I like that idea because in real life, conversations are never perfect or simple.
Exactly. Real English is flexible. People change plans, ask questions, confirm details, and sometimes cancel. So today, we'll practice all of that step by step in a very natural way.
I'm ready.
Great. Let's start with the most common situation, asking if someone is free. The simplest way is, "Are you free?" But native speakers often make it sound more natural depending on the situation. For example, "Are you free this weekend?" "Are you free later today?" "Do you have any plans tonight?" Or "What are you doing tomorrow?"
I also hear people say, "What are you up to?"
Yes, and that one is very natural and casual. It sounds friendly and relaxed.
Let me try. Hey, Anna, what are you up to this Saturday evening?
Nothing special. I'm just relaxing at home.
That sounds very natural already.
Yes, and now you can move to the next step, inviting.
Okay, so how do I invite someone naturally?
There are many ways, depending on your style. You can say, "Do you want to hang out? Do you want to meet later? Would you like to come with me? Do you want to join us? Or are you interested in going out?"
Is hang out informal?
Yes, it is casual and used between friends.
Let me try. Anna, do you want to hang out tomorrow evening?
That sounds very natural and friendly. And would you like to come with me for shopping? Yes, that is also correct, just slightly more polite and formal.
I see. So tone depends on the situation.
Exactly. Now let's go deeper. If you want to suggest something specific, you use let's. It's one of the most powerful words in spoken English. For example, "Let's go for coffee." "Let's watch a movie." "Let's go out for dinner." "Let's take a walk." "Let's meet at the park."
Let me try. Let's go out for dinner tonight.
Perfect. "Let's go to the river in the evening." Excellent. Very natural.
It feels very easy and direct.
Yes, that's why native speakers use it so much. Now let's move to responses. When someone invites you, you don't always just say yes. There are many natural replies, like, "Sure, sounds good." "I'd love to." "That works for me." "Count me in." "Why not?" "Yeah, let's do it."
I like count me in. It sounds fun.
Yes, it shows excitement. Let me try. "Do you want to go for a walk?" "Count me in." Perfect. That sounds natural and friendly. I think this is easier than I expected. It becomes easy with practice. Now let's go to the other side of communication, saying no politely. Sometimes you can't join, and that's normal. You can say, "Sorry, I'm busy." "I can't make it today." "I already have plans." "I'm not free at that time." "I wish I could, but I can't."
I wish I could sounds very polite.
Yes, it shows respect and softness in your reply.
Let me try. Sorry, I already have plans tonight.
Very good. "I wish I could join, but I'm busy." Excellent. That sounds very natural. "But I don't want to end the conversation there." Exactly. That's very important. In real life, we often suggest another time. For example, "But I'm free tomorrow." Maybe another day. "We can do it this weekend instead." "Let's plan for next week."
Sorry, I can't come today, but I'm free tomorrow evening.
Perfect. That's exactly how real conversations flow.
I feel like this is very useful for daily life.
Yes, because plans change all the time. Now let's try a realistic conversation. "Hey David, are you free this weekend?"
I think so. Why?
"Do you want to go for coffee?"
Sounds good. What time?
Maybe around 5 p.m.
That works for me.
Great. See you then.
That felt very natural and short.
Yes. Now let's make it longer and more realistic. Hey, David, are you free on Saturday?
I'm not sure yet. I might be busy in the morning because I have some work.
No problem. What about the evening?
Evening sounds better. I think I'll be free after 6.
Great. Let's do something fun. Maybe a movie or dinner.
I like the idea of a movie. What kind of movie are you thinking about?
Maybe something funny or relaxing, like a comedy.
That sounds perfect. I need something light after a busy week.
We can meet at the new mall cinema.
Yes, I've heard about it. It's very nice.
What time should we meet?
Maybe around 6:30?
Yes, that works.
Perfect. I'll be there on time.
Excellent.
This feels like a real conversation I could have in real life.
That's the goal. Now let's add more natural situations. Sometimes we don't know what to do, so we ask first. Instead of jumping directly into plans, you can say, "How's your day going? What are you doing these days? Are you busy this week? It's been a long time. How are you?"
Hey, Anna. It's been a long time. How are you these days?
I'm good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Do you want to hang out this weekend?
Yes, that sounds great.
This is very smooth conversation flow.
Yes, now let's talk about group plans. In group situations, we use expressions like, "Let's all meet up." "We should plan something together." "How about a group dinner?" "Everyone should come." Let's do something as a group.
Let me try. Let's all go out for dinner this Friday.
Very good. "We should plan a trip together sometime soon." Excellent. That sounds very natural. I feel more confident speaking like this. That's great. Now let's do a longer group conversation. Hey everyone, are you free on Sunday?
I think I am. What are we planning?
Let's go hiking in the morning and then have lunch together.
That sounds amazing. I haven't gone hiking in a long time.
We can take some photos and enjoy nature.
Good idea. Should we bring food or buy something there?
Maybe we can pack some snacks and drinks.
Perfect. What time should we meet?
Around 8 a.m., so we have enough time.
Okay, I'll be ready.
Great. It's going to be a fun day.
Yes, I'm excited now.
Now, let's also talk about real-life problems. Sometimes people are late or plans change. You can say, "Sorry, something came up. I'm running late. Can we reschedule? Let's postpone it. I'll be there in 10 minutes."
Sorry, something came up. Can we meet a bit later?
Yes, that's fine.
Sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there soon.
That's very natural and polite.
I think these phrases are very important.
Yes, they help you stay polite and clear. Now let's do one final long conversation combining everything. Hey David, what are you up to these days?
Just work and home. Nothing exciting.
Do you want to hang out this weekend?
Sounds good. What do you have in mind?
Maybe we can try that new restaurant in town or go for a walk after dinner.
I'd love to. Saturday evening sounds perfect.
Great. Let's meet at 7.
Perfect. I'll be there.
That's exactly how natural English conversation works in real life.
Yes, and now I feel much more confident using these phrases.
Remember, start simple, stay natural, and practice often.
And don't be afraid of mistakes, just keep speaking.
Thank you so much for listening.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice your own sentences in the comments.
See you next time.
Bye for now.